A Ukrainian drone destroyed two Tu-22 minutes 3 seconds at the Shyakovka Airfield in the Kaluga region of the Russian Federation. Previously, these bomber planes fired at Ukrainian cities from the territory of Belarus. Oris Sokar, chief editor of Obozravatel, spoke about this, referring to sources in the armed forces of Ukraine, in his Telegram channel Aristocracy. He stressed that the destruction of Tu-22M3 is a very important event. Thus, Shyakovka is not a frontline air base, but is located at a distance of more than 350 kilometers from the borders with Ukraine, to Moscow from Kaluga, less than 300 kilometers. The Russian air defense system is full of holes and simply missed the patriotic aircraft. My friends in the armed forces of Ukraine especially emphasize this. The Russians are blind when it comes to new types of weapons, Oris Sokar said. He recalled that the first reports of the invaders said that the drone was local and did not cross the border, since the Russian generals did not dare to voice the truth to Moscow. Tu-22M3 is a long-range supersonic bomber with variable wing geometry. It was one of the most secret Soviet aviation projects during the Cold War, which is why even now some of the information available about it is not true. It was produced in two main modifications. Tu-22M2, from 1972 to 1984, was withdrawn from service in the mid-1990s, and Tu-22M3, from 1978 to 1993, which the aggressor country currently operates. As Obozravatel reported, on October 7, an attack on a military airfield was announced in the Kaluga region of Russia. It was alleged that a drone allegedly exploded there.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.